Reed. Yeah, I do use Reed for my hair, and a lot of people are.
Baby, this distance is driving me crazy. It's always the guys do. Best friend turns to lovers. Baby, I missed you. The way that you touch me.
My next video.
Kifungu ma, baby, nikunala. Tuze wami, stand aside. Kifungu ma, baby, nikunala.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so to be honest with you, this is the main reason behind this channel and everything. So I decided to do other things apart from this one. Okay, so today I'm gonna be telling you guys how I do my hair every single day. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm going to tell you guys the products that I use every single day. And to be honest with you, they do work for me. According to me, they do work because I have been using them for about 2 years now, and they work perfectly. This was the main reason for this channel, but then I did some things, just so you know. Okay, so to start with, this is what I usually use for my hair every single day. Actually, every single time I go to school, I use this one. Okay, so you can get this for about 20 rands. Yeah, 20. And then after I use this every 2 days. Just so you know, this will give you like a cooling sensation once you use it, so you get used to it. Okay, so this is about, I don't know, to be honest, but it's less than 60 rands, I think. And then lastly, I use this shampoo. I use it okay, so because I wash my hair every month, I use it every single time. And I don't use any type of shampoo because I know that this one is the best. I would recommend you guys to use this product every single time. Okay, but then to be honest, I have a secret recipe for my hair. Okay, so I don't know if I should tell you guys or yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so I actually have something in this product. It helps my hair grow so fast, but I'm not sure if it works yet because I've been using it for 2 years now. Okay, so if you're able to find these products, no, there's no way you're gonna find them. But if you cannot find the product inside this container, then I don't know. Okay, so what I use for my hair is you can see it, right? Yeah, I also it's supposed to be yellow, but then as you can see, I have something inside this product and it helps my hair grow so fast, but I don't know if it works. But then according to rumors, it does work. Okay, so what I put in this is Reed. Yeah, I do use Reed for my hair, and a lot of people are familiar with this because they use it too, and it helps your hair. Trust me, it'll work. If you feel like I'm lying or something, then you can go and about it, but then it does work. It does. I took about 2 teaspoons, no, I'm lying, 1 full teaspoon, and then I put it before I put it in here. So yeah, it is what it is. So now that you know what I've been using for my hair, please like, subscribe to what I went down below what you want me to do in my next video or something. What am I kidding? I'm gonna make a video of my everyday hairstyles. So hope you enjoyed this video.
Baby, this distance is driving me crazy. It's always the guys do.